And a few moments later, okay, that's not too bad. The plywood is in position. It fits correctly. Just a bit of no, there are no square angles, so it makes things a bit more difficult. So now it's holding with 2 screws, and the next step will be to make sure that the washing machine will fit. So, and here we are. It's pretty much the way it will look when I will be finished with it, because here it's just a cover, but there is a base of the machine that will be screwed on the plywood plate here, and so this base is 30 millimeters, so pretty much that's where it's going to end. A little bit under the mark, maybe as you see here. That was my absolute no-go over mark, because otherwise I could not eventually raise up the cover here of the head. So seems to be okay. Now it's just a matter of putting the machine in the right position. Take back my paper template here, attach it on the plywood, and make the correct graze. Let's go. Et voilà, here we are, a couple of hours later. So I position the plywood plate, I position the base of the washing machine, and I have screwed some stainless steel nuts and bolts through a reinforcement bar, so that I just have now to bring the washing machine, and the washing machine should fit on the 4 nuts and that are here.